Well, I mean, there are so many applications for date time arrays. Um, Particularly useful when analyzing and plotting data. So consider, for example, the month summary data uh, collected here. Here it is. I put it in here for you. So let's open it. It's in here, the file. So this is like a data sheet, as you see in here. Data sheet. This is collected at Denver International Airport by the National Weather Service during 2015. It was stored in a spreadsheet, as you see in here, along with other climate data. So it's saved in this file. So the first column, so we are interested in two columns: the date, and the maximum temperature in here. So the first column we're interested in is represents the month during which the data were collected. The first four, as you see here, the first four, when you look in here, the first four are the year. The first four numbers are the year. The second two are the month, and the last two, of course, will be the day. So the data were stored in a vector. So that's what I did. I took this data and I created a vector called dates. So I'll have 12 dates for each month. All right. And then the second data which we are interested in is the maximum temperature. We need to grab this against this. That's what we're planning to do. So, for example, for January, the temperature was 75, the maximum, and for December it was, where is it? Was like 16, was 69 or something like that. All right. So anyways, this column represents the extreme maximum high during the month, and was stored in the column called high. So that's what I did. I created a vector. So that's the date, and I created another vector. Let me make this bigger for you, so that you could see. Okay, I created another vector, which is the high. All right. So now we'll try to plot. We'll try this. Let's just comment this. Now I have a vector which is date, and another vector which is high, and I need to have a bar plot for them. Let's try it out. See what will happen. Let's try. So let's run it. Here we go. So we have in here the date, and in here the temperature, and this is the bar plot. All right. So where's the problem? As you see in here is like the date information in the x-axis, as you see it in here, is confusing and difficult to read. It's confusing and very difficult to read. It would be even worse if the data had been collected every day, since the value would skip for example, from 2015 January 31st to 2015 February 1st, for example. So we can use datetime function to fix it. So we could convert the date data into a date time array, and then create a plot shown as the following. So let me close this. So what we have, let me uncomment this. All right. So what we did, we took the date, which is in here, this format, and we used convert from, and this is the format we have. We have year, so we have year for numbers for year, two numbers for month, and two for day. That's exactly the format we have. All right, and then we convert it to the normal format. All right, and now let's plot it. See how it look like. Okay, here you go. You see, very nice, much more nicer. So January 15, February 15, March 15, April 15, May 15, June 15, up to December 15. So we have controlled or fixed the formatting of the date as we wanted. So that's really what exactly what we wanted to do. And here is the date, how it looked like that. That's the format that it looked like this. So again, I mean, Matlab provide you with a lot of functions that they are very useful to use. So make sure you learn about them and use them.